Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply insert date and time to anywhere in your document on MS Word. Let me show you how. Like for instance, we want to add date and time to the top right here. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I highlight this. I will simply type in date and time just like so. Now we want to insert the date and time into this particular box right here. Move your cursor into the front of the document or of the text, and then next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on Insert tab right here. Then go to Text right here, and then go ahead and click on Date and Time right here. And this is going to come up. Then you can choose any format right here. Like for instance, you want to choose this type of format, or better still, you have another format right here, and you have another format right here. You have about three different formats for date and time that you can just choose any one. First, I'm going to choose the here. Come down below right here. Go ahead and make sure you update automatically and hit on date, just like so. Now we have date and time being added successful.